Alright, we're gonna go for a ride in an old school cruiser. You don't see these all the time. It's a 1964 Impala. You see a lot of those, but you don't see a 409 4-speed with like super low original miles. I was told this thing has 31,000 original miles, and I believe it. I mean, I can't prove it, but I believe it. It's got the 340 horse QC code 409, which basically has a single 4-barrel carburetor. Muncie 4-speed. It drives so nice. It's had one repaint, and the headliner was replaced. And when they did the headliner, they found the build sheet, which is awesome. That just it documents the car as being the real deal. It's got the engine number, it's got everything on it that it's supposed to have. But man, this 4-speed, everything feels so tight. But you know, it's Tuxedo Black with the red interior. I think the interior's original still, sure looks like it. Seats and everything like that, carpeting. It's got the original AM/FM radio that works, factory tack. It's pretty cool, man. The thing about this car is just takes you back. And another thing about these cars, unfortunately, I mean, I'm totally into the lowrider culture and stuff too, but back in the day when they made lowrider cars, they put hydraulics in them. So many of these cars got cut up, bent frames and wrecked, you know, they wrecked the suspensions, and it's kind of a bummer, but I appreciate that culture. But when you find something like this that's not been messed with, a 64 Impala is so popular in that culture that most of them are missing and gone and, you know, wrecked and cut up. Anyway, this one's a good car to add to a collection, you know, because of the originality. Black and red is an awesome color, and just something fun to drive and cruise around. Everybody's looking at you in this thing. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and some more video. All right, check out this beautiful Tuxedo Black 1964 Impala Super Sport, but not just a Super Sport, a 409 4-speed, just like the Beach Boys song. She's real fine, my 409. Pretty sweet car though, man. You know, just Tuxedo Black, red interior, bucket seats, console, factory tack, Muncie 4-speed. It's got a 336 gear ratio in the back, so you can cruise it along on the freeway. It shifts like butter, man. It's got brand new white wall tires on there. All the trim and chrome is nice. Like I mentioned earlier, it's believed to have 31,000 original miles. And I kind of believe it. If you look at everything on it, it's had one respray. The interior's original. This is original color, by the way, too, per the trim tag. All the glass appears to be original. Original steering wheel. Center console. AM/FM radio. Pretty cool. Other than that, not a lot of options. No power steering, no power brakes. A lot of these 409s were just, you know, people bought them for the horsepower. They didn't want extra pulleys on there. They didn't have air conditioning. They were just all about the power. 64 Impala is one of the most popular of the Impalas. And it's got the look. Big old cruiser. Don't find them like this all the time. Alright, here's the power plant in the 64 Impala Super Sport. Like I said earlier, it's a 340 horse, 409, matching numbers, a QC code. Got the 4-barrel carburetor, the chrome, factory chrome dress-up kit. That's the way they came. But all stock under here. Exhaust manifolds, nothing modified. It's got no power steering and no power brakes, but it actually stops and steers fine, you know? It's got the little skinny 14-inch wheels on it with the white walls, so not that big of a deal. I'm holding the hood up here because I got to replace those hood springs right there. They're a little light. Somebody replaced them with the wrong ones, so the hood doesn't stay up. But we'll fix that one. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Nice. Just runs nice and smooth. This version of the 409 didn't have solid lifters or anything, so it's not totally like a race car. You can drive it normally. That's why it's geared with the 336 ratio. Just something you can use, you know, but still got all that torque under the hood. Go ahead and close this. Walk around the back so you can hear it. Got dual exhaust all the way out the back. Give it a wrap, Carlos. Yeah, sounds good, man. Well, if you want to check out this cool Super Sport, come on out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you a tour of this and the rest of the cars we have. Thanks for watching.